We're creating pranks in our Google Sheets. This one is fun. This is going to highlight every cell red with the word urgent in it when you type it or when someone else types it, if it's your boss, your colleagues, your friends, your family. We're adding these cool automations. Check out bettersheets.co/sheetfools. This is where you get all of these automations for free. Absolutely can copy it into your Google Drive and use them. We're going to highlight every cell red with the word urgent when we type it. So let's go to our extensions app script. It's here. We already have this turn Excel into Sheets. Let's delete that from our function. We have function on edit. We can only have one in a sheet in an app script. So we create each of our functions separately and then add it here if we want to add it to our on edit. So we'll create a function red if urgent. We'll have this E here. This is a event variable that gathers a lot of information, and we'll run this just by going red if urgent and make sure that you have that E. So we'll need variable sheet equals e.source.getActiveSheet. Variable range equals e.range. Variable value equals e.value. That's the value that's actually being typed into the cell. If value.to lowercase includes urgent, then in curly brackets, we're going to go to the range that we're on, set background, and we're going to just set it to red. Very simple. Let's save that and go back to our blank sheet and say this is urgent. Very cool. So now you can change urgent to any word you want to prank someone, but this is really cool to highlight the cell immediately as we're typing urgent, or someone needs to highlight this because it's urgent. Anywhere in the cell, we're going to highlight it red if it has the word urgent in it. Awesome. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy. Get this over at bettersheets.co/sheetfools. Get all of these automations. Check out more videos coming out right now.